Imagine a place where fire and ice exist at the same time. But this place is 100% real. There's a volcanic glacier in Iceland called Eyjafjallajökull. It's a massive glacier, but guess what? Underneath it, there's an active volcano. When this volcano erupts, it melts the ice instantly, causing massive floods and ash clouds. In 2010, this volcano erupted so violently that it disrupted flights all over Europe. And this isn't the only place like this. There are other fire and ice volcanoes in Antarctica and even on Jupiter's moon. But tell me, would you dare visit this place? Comment below.